Did you know your iPhone can perform tasks automatically, like texting your location, turning on low power mode, or reading your morning news without you touching it? That's all possible with shortcuts, one of the most powerful yet underrated features on iPhone. Today, let's explore 5 iPhone shortcut tricks that honestly feel like magic. Trick 1. Speak your battery level. Imagine asking Siri, "How's my battery?" And your iPhone literally speaks back the percentage. You can create this by opening shortcuts, tapping plus, adding the action Get Battery Level, and then Speak Text. Now, whenever you say battery check, Siri will tell you your exact percentage. No need to look. Trick 2. Auto text when you leave home. Let's say you always text someone when you're heading out. You can automate that. In Shortcuts, Automation, Leave, choose your home location, then Send Message. Type your text, and boom, the next time you leave your house, your iPhone sends it for you. It's like having a personal assistant inside your pocket. Trick 3. One-tap focus mode. Instead of diving into settings every time, make a shortcut that toggles focus mode with a single tap. Add the Set Focus action. Choose which mode you want, maybe sleep or work, and place it on your home screen. Now, one tap and distractions disappear instantly. Trick 4. Magic Photo Resize. Need to resize a photo for social media or documents? You can make a shortcut that asks for an image, resizes it to your preferred dimensions, and saves it automatically. No more third-party apps. Your iPhone handles it in seconds. Trick 5. Morning Routine Shortcut. Create a good morning shortcut that reads today's weather, your first calendar event, and even starts your favorite playlist. You can trigger it automatically at a specific time or with a single tap when you wake up. It feels like your iPhone knows you. These shortcuts might seem small, but once you start using them, your iPhone becomes a lot more personal and honestly a little bit magical. Try them out today, and you'll never look at your phone the same way again.
Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.